Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California Contractor License Study Guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-23 Ornamental Metal License and Exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-23 contractor license? A C-23 license is issued to a contractor who assembles, casts, cuts, shapes, stamps, forges, welds, fabricates and installs, sheet, rolled and cast, brass, bronze, copper, cast iron, wrought iron, monel metal, stainless steel, steel, and any other metal for the architectural treatment and ornamental decoration of those structures. Now, there are some basic requirements. You have to be over the age of 18, have a valid driver's license or social security card, and not be currently on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements, having 4 years, full-time level experience, and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience. Let's take a look at what to expect during the exam. It is closed book and there are no reference materials allowed to be brought into the exam. The questions are set up as multiple choice, like an A, B, C, D format. There are some mathematical computations on the questions, and a calculator will be provided to you. The testing is done on site and the results are immediate. The exam is broken down into 5 major sections. Planning and estimating is about 25% of the exam, fabrication 23%, installation 18%, finishes and repairs 12%, and safety is 22% of the questions. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. At what point during construction must interior handrails be installed in a custom 2-story home? D. Before the drywall and after framing. If an architectural drawing gives a scale of 1/8 inch equals 1 inch, what does a line 2 1/4 inch equal? 18 feet. According to the California Building Code, how is headroom clearance measured on a standard stairway? B. Vertically from a line connecting the nosings. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.